Hi, my name is Calver and I'm going to teach you how to remove a green mat or a green background in Premiere Pro. First step is to open your Premiere Pro. Second step, import the file or the video that you want to edit. For our third step, drag your video on the timeline. Just to find the Alt key on the effects. Add it on your video. And the fourth step is to go to your effect control and find the Alt key that you just added and change the output to alpha channel. Next step is, after changing the output to alpha channel, you need to click on the key color and choose the background color green. And the next step is go to the output again and change it to composite. Now next step, go to your timeline and drag the video on top. And after that, you need to import the background that you want to add in your video. Go to your project, found, and then import it. This is the video that I want, and then add it on the timeline below your video. Now, as you can see, change the green color to a video background. We can change the size. You can do is click on the video and then try to change the scale to 72. And then you can also change the position of the subject left to right.
Are you looking to buy?
If you don't want a video background, you can also use photo. So just import a photo or any photo that you want as a background. You just import the photo and add it on the timeline. You turn off this eye, that means the video background will be turned off. You can also change the scale till it fits on the screen. So that's how you change it into a photo if you want.
Buck. So contact us now and come check out our.
You can also add music if you want. Just import the music or the background music that you want to use and then drag it in the timeline.
Time soon? If so, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the top local auto dealership, and we can get you the best car for your specific needs. All of our vehicles have gone through a multi-point.
Make sure that the voice of the subject is louder than the music or than the music background.
Vehicle check, and we do everything possible to make sure you're getting the most bang for your buck. So contact us now and come check out our wide selection of cars.
Okay, so that's how you remove green background in Premiere Pro. Thank you so much for watching. This is Caliber, and have a nice day.